Elvira Cai is a Chinese actress. In 2022, he starred in Unexpected Falling. The same year, she also played Hu Tong Chapter 2, Hu Tong and Draw the Line. She is a director's actress and has often been praised for her versatility and maturity. In 2021, he starred in Live Your Life. The same year, he also played the Justice and the Blessed Girl. In 2020, Kai starred alongside Huang Xiaoming in the workplace romance drama Game Changer. The same year, she starred in the historical fantasy drama Ling Long. This popular actress is best known for her feline-like eyebrows, lean figure, and deep voice. In 2018, Kai starred alongside Chen Khan in the Republican spy drama Lost in 1949. The same year, she starred in the period mystery drama Mystery of Antiques, based on the novel of the same name by Ma Boyang. Kai was cast in the romance drama Love is Always Online alongside Shang Ziqi. She was confirmed to star in the romance suspense drama The Controllers. In 2017, Kai starred in the medical romance suspense drama A Seven-Faced Man alongside Chang Yeshen. The same year, she starred in the romance comedy web drama My Girlfriend's Boyfriend. She won the Most Promising Actress award at the Tencent Video Star Awards. In 2016, Kai played the female lead in the Usha drama Bu Liang Ren, based on the manhwa of the same title. She won the Most Popular Actress award at the Golden Gudo Media Awards. The same year, she co-starred in the youth romance drama So Young, based on the novel of the same name by Shi Yo. In 2014, Kai became known for her role in the youth romance drama Back in Time. In 2015, Kai starred alongside Vincent Zhao in the war drama Hero Doesn't Shed Tears.